special, I am unique. Yes, I am. There is no one like me. There is no one like me. I am special, I am unique. A very good morning to all, respected sisters, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, we the students of class 1B are presenting today's morning assembly on the topic self-worth. Once there was a rose that was very proud of her beautiful looks surrounding this point when was that she grew alongside an cactus. Oh, look at this prickly and ugly cactus. It's too hard to grow with a beautiful and fragrant flower like me. Please don't be so rude to me. I want to be your friend. I don't want to be your friend. Every day the rose would insert the cactus on his looks while the cactus stayed quiet. All the other plants in the garden tried to make the rose humble in nature, but the rose too swayed by her own good looks. The rose saw a sparrow stick its beaks in the cactus and drank water from it. The rose felt ashamed to ask for help from the cactus, but finally it did ask. In this arid land, I find myself in need. Would you do, cactus, with your abundant store of water? Please lend me a drop to quench my thirst. Yes, why not? The spring passed and summer arrived. There was no rain and the garden became dry. There was no water for the plants. Once the proud rose slowly began to lose its color and started to dry. The kind cactus agreed, and the sparrow filled their beaks with water and watered the rose. They rose their lives, dismissed it, and apologized to cactus. I am extremely sorry, dear cactus. Will you be my friend? Yes, why not? It would be my pleasure. They became friends and lived happily together in the garden. Thought for the day, let